Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix your DM issue in Instagram. So if your DM on Instagram keeps on loading or that you're having an issue with it, then there are several steps in order to fix it. If you're experiencing issue with the Instagram direct messages or DM not loading or constantly loading without displaying messages, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try it. First of all, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause issues with loading DM. So you can try restarting your Wi-Fi or maybe data that you're connected to, and that should be able to fix it. Or else, if you have opened up your Instagram, then you can completely close it by long press on it and then swiping it from the background, and once again reopen it and go to the DMs page from the top right, and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if this is also not working out, then you can try updating your application. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then it should be one of the reasons. So go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram. When you type in Instagram, it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and see update or open. If you see update, which means that you have to update the application. After updating the application, that should be able to fix the issue. If that is also not working out, then you can also try clearing cache and data. So for that case, you have to long press on your Instagram and go to the app info icon. You can go ahead and click on storage and cache, and here go to clear cache, and that should be able to fix your issue. Apart from it, you can also try logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back into the account. So for that case, you have to open up your Instagram and then go to your profile, and when you are in the profile, tap the tab bar and scroll down right to the bottom and click on log out. That should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can restart your device. Along with that, you can reinstall your Instagram application, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If the issue persists on despite trying the above steps, you can reach out to Instagram support team for their assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or investigate the issue further. So that by following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issue with Instagram direct messages or constantly loading. So that's how you can fix it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.